Good afternoon everyone. Today we are going to see how to make quiz using Python in Pycharm. So firstly we will welcome user. So for that we will write here welcome to quiz, welcome to quiz, and then it will have the option of playing or not playing. So yes or no. So for that we will use option is equal to input, and inside this input we will use do you want to play. If it replies yes or no, then we have to see. If option is equal to, is not equal to yes, then print print see you later, or again see you again, and then quit code. But if it prints but if it prints yes, then we have to say okay, let's play. Okay, let's play. And after that we will use answer, and input, in this input we will use question, so that input will be the answer. And what will be the question will be what is the name of what is the name of national bird of India. So here, if answer is equal to, now the national bird is peacock, then print yes, you got it correctly. Yes, you got it correctly. Or else print you got it wrong. Now we will see does it works. Do you want to play quiz? Yes. Okay, let's play. What is the name of national bird of India? It is peacock. Yes, you got it correctly. and then it ends. So now we will make some more questions. So for that I had already made some questions that I will print here. I will delete this first. Cut it, and then yes, then here we had created 1 2 3 4 questions. Now we will see does it works. Play. Welcome, do you want to play quiz? Yes, I want. What is the name of National Bird of India? Peacock. Yes, you got it correctly. What is the name of Indian state where Marathi is mostly spoken? So I will give a wrong answer. You are wrong. What is called the heaven on earth? It is Kashmir. So here I was having spelling mistake. Kashmir, Kashmir, and here I had written Kashir, so it is wrong. So now what is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. It is given in short form only. Congrats, you got it correctly, and then end. So now you can see that by this you can make a easy quiz in Python of any subject and of many questions. So thank you everyone. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.